Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be shortly explaining what CCleaner is and how you can remove it from your computer. I'm using Windows 10, so I'll be showing you guys how you can remove it from Windows 10. However, the process is very similar across all Windows devices, or Windows versions rather. Might be pretty similar for iOS. I mean, just use the same method as you do for removing any other program. However, what CCleaner is, it is basically a junk file cleaning application primarily. It cleans your computer and deletes files such as cache, memory, and things like that. To actually delete this, yeah, you can also use it to scan your PC. Keep in mind, this is not a antivirus software. This is only a junk cleaning software. You can use it, as I've said, to clean your cache files. You can use it to clear temporary files that have been left over. You can use it even to modify the registry if you so wanted to, and to use it to either uninstall, update software, and things like that. However, what you want to do to actually delete it on Windows 10 is to go into the search bar and then just go into add or remove programs. Once you're here in the search list, what you want to do is just type CCleaner, which looks like this. And as you can see here, it shows up. Just click on it, and once you click on install, it should be completely removed from your device. And that is pretty much all there is to it. You can also go ahead and clean any files that are left over. If there are any left over, there shouldn't be. But yeah, that's the gist of it. That's all there is to it, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.